We're going to perform the backwards drag. I need an animal handler to put an emergency rope halter on the horse's head. Approach from the back side. Feed the loop under his head. You may have to lift the head. Remember, the head is very heavy. Feed the standing portion of the rope through the loop. And then place that around the nose. Excellent. Tighten. I'm going to need a second person to get the PFD to provide head protection. This could be a towel, it could be a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, anything to try to protect the animal's head. Animals that are down, recumbent, often injure themselves by attempting to use the leverage of their head and neck to lift themselves. You may have to extend the head if you can't get that last strap on. Excellent. Tighten. Excellent. At this point, I need 2 personnel to bring a piece of webbing. We're going to floss the webbing underneath the animal's hindquarters. You may need a third person to lift the tail slightly. 1 to 2 people may lift an animal's tail just to manipulate the animal. We're not using a winch. We're not using a mechanical method to move the animal. We're just using 1 person in an ergonomic position. We're going to need another person to manipulate the legs. Get a tool, stay out of this danger zone. You can lift or move the animal's hoof to be able to get the webbing under or around it. Excellent. Now you're going to floss 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And even though an animal may weigh up to 700 kilos, you will be able to manipulate it underneath. And at this point, you're going to take your strap and you're going to feed it to him. Take both straps back between the legs. You're going to manipulate the legs. And I'm going to need all these people to be on the straps. We need the center of the strap to be in the center of his back, immediately above the back legs. Excellent positioning. At this point, the animal handler is going to direct the pull. You need to get up so you're in a safe position and direct the pull.
Okay, so prepare to pull on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.